Welcome, in front of me I have iPad mini 4 and today I'll show you how you can find and manage sound settings. So open the settings at the first and next you have to pick sounds. As you can see at the first we can use this option for the headphone audio to read as loud sounds, so we can turn it on or turn it off by tapping on the switcher, and when you turn it on we can also pick the value. For example, we can only get 480, so it's as loud as a noisy restaurant. Okay, let's go back. Here we can adjust the ringtone and the alerts volume by moving this slider on the left or the right. We can also change it with buttons, so take a look right now. On the right bottom corner, on the right upper corner, on the right edge, you can find power keys, the volume keys. So as you can see, we can also make it with this simple move. Here we can change our ringtone. In this place we can change the text tone. Here we got the new mail notification. Below, when we send mail. Here we can find caller alerts and reminder alerts. The same below. And here we can find the AirDrop sound. And here we can enable keyboard clicks and lock sound by tapping on the switchers, just like that. And as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.